Hi everybody, hope you guys are all having a great day. It's nice and sunny out here today in New Brunswick. Today I'm going to install a mulching kit on my Z231. When I purchased it, I thought I'd get a bagger system for it, but after doing some looking around and figuring out how many times I have to dump it for my lawn, I decided to go with the mulching kit. So hope you enjoy the video. So, on the 231, the base plate here is actually, you can take it off, that way you can get to the pulley systems. One of the first steps in doing this is to take the plate off, disconnect the pulley system from the lawnmower, and then detach it from the actual lift arms. It takes a size 10 millimeter ratchet to take the lift plate off. So as you can see, here's the pulley system. And there's supposed to be this spring. So the next step is to remove this spring, which is on the tensioner, to loosen the pulley system so I can take it off the back of the lawnmower. So in order to remove the spring, the easiest way is take the pulley cover off, which I've already done, and then pull on the spring on this point. That should make it a lot easier to take the spring off and on again. So now with the spring off, as you can see, there's a lot more play into the pulley system. So I should be able to reach underneath this and disconnect it from the main shaft of the lawnmower. Here's the main shaft for the pulley system. So with any luck, that should just come right off. The pulley is now off. At this point, I should be able to disengage the mower deck to the tractor. So, as you can see, these are held on by 2 pins. Here, take a good shot of the pin. And I'll catch up once I get these removed. The mowing deck onto my tractor with the forklifts. That should make it a lot easier to get to in order to put the mulching kit on. Just clean it up a little bit, get some of this dead grass out of here. After I clean it up is to remove the mower blades. Now one of the things they told me to make sure I remember is that it's concave upwards. So the next step is to remove the discharge baffles. So there's one bolt here, one right here, here, and here. Okay, I've been able to get the mulching plates in place now. A couple things I noticed that weren't really described well in the manual. The first is the bolt here has to be taken out. To do that, you have to take the tire off. This one here, you have to take the bolt out and plug it back into it again. Now, what I've noticed is that you want to be able to loosely put all the bolts in place first and then tighten it up. Otherwise, it's almost impossible to do because the bolts don't line up with the holes very well. Next is to put the mulching blades on. last thing to do is to reattach the mower deck to the zero turn, and we should be good to go. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like. If you enjoy these types of videos, please hit subscribe, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.